Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create Grindr account without phone number. So first, go to Grindr app. Then go to sign up. Do not click this phone number. All you have to do is sign this birth date, your month, date, and year. So next, then create your email, password, and confirming password. Click create. You're almost there. To verify, click I'm not a robot. Then tap select all images with stare. After that, click verify. Then terms of service, click accept. Do it twice. And complete profile. All you have to do is type your name, age, and click save. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.